although I have been practicing, I am going to pronounce this wrong, but here is Eva with her last Halloween makeup tutorial for this year, and it is her La Llorona face paint tutorial. So if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because we will show you how easy this one is in the coming video. So first were the contact lenses, which are called the Yellow Werewolf Mini Scleras. And once those lenses are in, Eva is plucking one of those latex foam sponges to make the surface kind of irregular. And with a bit of alcohol and the Undead palette by Encore, she is going to create the base of her makeup. Well, by plucking that sponge and making that surface so irregular, you get a nice and smudgy look to your base. So first was the white color and next to that was the off-white color. Eva's just combining these to make the base. There is also a black in this palette, and with that she is putting the shadows on the skin using the same technique as she did while creating the base. A bit under the eye as well. If you are sensitive with alcohol and your eyes, you can also use water-based face paint to do the part under the eyes with. And there was a bit of red brown in that makeup as well. The black for the lips, and then we continue to a water-based face paint. This is the black by Diamond FX, and Eva has made this very watery to make it run down from the eyes like she has been crying black tears. So wait for a tear to run down so you can see how it looks and if you need to add more to it or not. A bit of black on the inside of the mouth, and with the black mouth stain by Makeup for Film and Television, our La Llorona face paint tutorial for today is done. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos. I know it is Halloween, but we have videos all year long, not every day, but enough to definitely stay tuned.